Okay, so we went down that way and we're back to the rock here. It was just too slippery down there. But there's the valley down there. It's a big hill. I'm going to take you guys down over there too. But my son decides that we're going this way now. So we're back on the trail again. Oh, sorry guys, I dropped something. I'll just let you guys see the scenery. Can you hear the water? Okay, he's coming back this way. Maybe we aren't gonna go that way. Hold on a second. All right, we're going the other way because he decided that he doesn't want to go there because well, you guys can see these are about as tall as I am. I'm not that tall, but these things are pretty tall. Here's the other side. There's the valley. My truck. See, somebody else showed up here. And this is like heaven. Seriously. So peaceful. Oh, something was bedding down there. Something very large. You see how big that is? It's quite large, actually. And yes, we do have to worry about bear around here and everything else. Look at those pretty flowers. Can you hear the bumblebees? Oh. We have quite the hill to walk down. So I think I'm going to pause it. Get down that hill so you don't have to hear me panting. We're out of breath. And then, yeah, we got company. Oh darn, we had the place to ourselves for a little while. But I need to walk down here. And there's water all the way over there. And so I'm going to pause it. And I'm going to bring it back up here when I get to that point. Oh, these are much closer now that I can give you guys a close-up. Isn't this pretty? Gosh, they're so pretty. Okay, I'm back. Our friend is actually climbing up the hill right now. I'm gonna walk over here. I know you guys can hear that water. So pretty. It's just, you feel so small when you're down here in the valley. I mean, we are small, really, when you think about it. Look at that. So pretty. Swing it around here for you guys. Can you hear the water? This is one of the dams. I showed you guys the sign earlier. Oh, our friend made it to the top over there. It's really little. Oh, there, see, he's up there. There we go. I love moving water. Love the sound of it. I could just go to sleep right now. Look at all that water. We've had so much rain. You see that? Woo! That's a big swirl. Suppose you guys want to go down and see it better, huh? Yeah, so do I. Alright, let's go through these weeds. These wildflowers. Aaron, don't you fall in there. Look how fast that's moving. Oh, look at that. Definitely doing some tick checking tonight. Whew. Feels cooler down here. Feels nice. Look how powerful that is. Just had to get around my son to go the other side here. And that's Plum Creek. And that water is flowing. The current is strong. I think that's about as much as I'm going to show you guys tonight. On this one, anyway. I think I could listen to this all night long. I should come down here and just record the noise. And then put it on a loop. Sounds like a plan, actually. Have a good night, you guys.